Instead of FL, it's all of those things. So that's K1 del Qi. That's one. And the second equation is d del Q naught is K3 Now the choice is yours. You can either do the substitution for Q naught in terms of delta H now or later. I prefer to do it later. Okay, because I can easily replace this by that, derivative of that, and then delta H as a. Take Laplace transform on both sides. Laplace of d by dt is always, if I have a first derivative, is s times the Laplace of that quantity itself. Okay? Laplace of delta H is some thing like that. Then Laplace of del Qi delta Qi s delta Q. If you want, you can dispense with the capital deltas and so on. It is just to say that these are like the caps level version of the smaller variables. That's all it is. Okay? If I see a differentiation, there is an s coming. Substitute instead of d delta h by dt, s times k1 delta qi K2 delta S H, and then delta Q naught is K3 that's the Laplace of the second equation. Obviously from the first equation I'm going to take that minus k to bring it onto the other side. I have 2 more minutes, bear with me. So S plus K2 is K1 or delta H becomes the following. K1 and delta H of S, plus domain, sorry. Obviously now you do the substitution. Instead of delta H of S, I'm going to substitute this constant and delta Q naught and so on. So if I do that, I have something very nice coming out. Delta Q naught, substitute in terms of delta H, so that's divided by K3 is or the transfer function. What do you see? This is a first order transfer function. This is going to give you a low pass filter, okay? And this is just going to be delta Q naught, delta Qi, and so that's K1, K3, S plus K2, or if you have to draw the body plot, take the K1 out. I'm sorry, your K2. This is the system transfer function. Thank you for your patience. This is exactly what you will be doing for each of the tanks in your home. Okay? And I will be solving a problem of that nature on Wednesday.